just bought or about to buy wheels and tires from us, let's go over the process of how to buy them, how to receive them, and the in-between options of what you can do with these wheels and tires through our site. Today we're gonna go over the aspects of how to buy from our site and the different options that you can have when buying. So, first thing I wanna go over, when it comes to ordering them, you can either go to our site, which is super easy. You put in your bolt pattern, the color you want, the size you want, and you literally just find that, click checkout, and then we'll shoot you an email. The email basically just says, do you want these wheels mounted and balanced? Do you want TPMS sensors in them? Actually, TPMS is during the checkout process where it'll be a little extra. We will mount and balance them for free for you. So if you want them mounted and balanced, we'll bring them over here, add the TPMS as if you had ordered them. And then that's the process that kind of takes a cast wheel from 3 to 4 days to a week and a half, where we're just mounting and balancing it and then shipping it out. So we'll get these guys from the distributor. They come to us if they are being mounted and balanced. If not, they're being drop shipped. Ship time, right? So when it comes to these wheels and tires, it really depends whether or not that wheel is a cast wheel, like some Fuels, or that wheel is a forged wheel, like these 28x14 JTXs. I don't know who that's going to. Forged wheels, typically you'll see a time frame of anywhere from 6 to 10 weeks. 6 to 8 weeks is the typical one. Right, forged wheels are made specifically for you. And so that being said, those wheels take a lot longer to be, they gotta go through the process of being heated up, stretched by the CMC machine, and then they gotta finish them, and then it takes a while, right? And so those wheels take a lot longer than these cast wheels, which are typically in stock. That being said, if you want a little hack, there are a few companies that have wheels in stock. We can always call, we're dealers for everybody. So JTX, American Force, KG1, all these dealers with forged wheels, sometimes you'll see these wheels in stock. I know KG1 has a line called the Contender Series, which they keep a lot of those wheels in stock so that you can just go ahead and place the order with us, and then those forged wheels come to your door in about 2 weeks, which is pretty cool. Typically with Fuel and Hostile and these cast wheels, these guys, depending on whether or not you're mounted and balancing them with us, which I'll get into in a second, these guys will typically show up to your door, give or take 3 days to a week and a half, right? So pretty quickly. So that's how long you're typically waiting for those wheels and tires to be shipped out to you from our warehouse, which is this massive freaking thing, but we keep quite a lot in stock as well. So if they are in stock here, and you're close by, those guys can be shipped out from here if we have them in stock as well. All right, so as soon as your order comes to the door and we get your email as to whether or not you want them mounted and balanced, they'll get shipped to our warehouse. We will mount and balance them here. We'll clean them up before they go out. We will go ahead and pallet them. If you order TPMS sensors, you gotta calibrate those on your own. But that's when you get your tracking number from our team. All right, as soon as your wheels and tires go out from us or from the distributor, whether or not you just got tires, if it is just tires, then these guys will show up via UPS or just any mail service, and they'll just be wrapped. If you do get wheels, your center caps and lug nuts, if you ordered lug nuts through us, are gonna be at the bottom of the box. Do make sure to, we always inspect the wheels and tires before they go out, obviously, and when they come in here, if you're getting them mounted and balanced, to make sure that there's no damage. If there is, we will let you know. If there is damage to the wheels and tires when they do come in, especially if they're mounted and balanced from us, and then they get shipped out to you. If there's any damage from the shipping or handling of the service, please take photos and send them over to us so that we can help you in that process of getting a new wheel or whatever it is that we need to do in order to make sure that you're happy with the process. If it is a wheel and tire that is balanced from us, those go out via freight. So if it's a residential area dependent on, and we will let you know, we may have to have you meet the driver in a location to pick up those wheels and tires to make sure that a lot of times in residential areas, the actual driver can't go out to your neighborhood because the truck's too large or something like that. We will let you know, or he'll let us know, and then we'll call you and have you meet him in a specific location. Now, with that being said, we keep our site up to date a lot as to whether or not these wheels are truly in stock from the manufacturer or us. And with that being said, there are national back orders, right? Back orders happen all the time with specific wheels that are very popular, or maybe they're discontinued or different stuff like that. So with that being said, do check the site. You'll have to scroll down once you click your quantity, you just scroll down. It'll say in stock, on back order, has a lead time. And with that being said, back orders can change from the manufacturer. So manufacturers will typically say, this wheel is about 4 to 8 weeks out, or this wheel is 13 weeks out. That can change, especially with these tariffs happening. I know I've gotten it from different wheel companies where they'll say we got no ETA because we don't actually know whether or not this wheel will be here in 5 weeks or it'll be here in 20. Those back orders can change a lot. And if you do see a back order, keep that in mind. You still want to go through with that wheel. We'll make sure that we try to have it out to you as fast as possible. And if you don't want to go with that wheel, we will try to find you a wheel that's very similar, or I've worked with 4Play on a wheel that was back ordered for a while, and they were great about it. They worked with me on trying to get this wheel from a specific dealership that might have had it on display. I just needed one wheel. And eventually they couldn't find it, but they really did try to work me through the process of finding this through a specific dealership to take it off their shelf. So if you really, really need that wheel, we will go through the process of trying to find where this wheel is. And if we can't find it, then we'll tell you straight up that there's no wheels and it's just, you gotta wait that ETA, or I'll try to get you a wheel similar. So that's the process of the back orders. So do we work with financing? This is an amazing question. Yes, we work with a firm and obviously a lot of different companies. And a firm is the main one we work with online. They do have an interest rate, but if you get approved through a firm, we actually get paid in full. So your shipping process starts like that. It's not like you have to wait an immense amount of time because a firm didn't get us some. No, they're very good about it. They get us the money. We get paid in full. Your wheels and tires get shipped out to you basically in the same amount of time as if you were paying straight up cash. And so, yeah, we absolutely do work with financing companies. If you are interested in getting a set of wheels and tires shipped straight to your door, please go ahead over online to Krietz Customs parts store. See how much they do cost. We're having a Black Friday right now, so it's gonna be a little bit less for a little amount of time. Make sure that you go over there right now to pick up those wheels and tires, or if you want a quote for in-store pickup, give us a call at 301-694-4642.
Subscribe to Krietz Customs to win a free set of wheels and tires. If we hit 50,000 subscribers by the end of the year, we'll be giving away a set just like this, a 35, 12, 50, 22 Fury Country Hunter on a 22x12 fuel wheel. If you want those, go ahead and subscribe to Krietz Customs, and we will see you when we give you those wheels away.